First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Imagine a world inside the internet, a place where the boundaries of the physical and digital blur, creating a seamless experience that feels almost magical. You put on special glasses. These aren't just any glasses, they are your gateway to a new dimension, a portal to endless possibilities. Suddenly, you are inside this world. You can walk around, explore vast landscapes, and even create your own spaces. You can meet people from all over the globe, play immersive games, and attend virtual events. This is the metaverse. It is a new type of internet, one that is interactive, immersive, and incredibly engaging. The metaverse is still young. Like a sapling, it is just beginning to grow and take shape. But it is growing fast. Technological advancements are accelerating its development, making it more sophisticated and accessible every day. People are excited about its possibilities. From tech enthusiasts to everyday users, the buzz around the metaverse is palpable. It could change how we live, work, and play. Imagine attending virtual meetings, collaborating on projects in a shared digital space, or simply hanging out with friends in a virtual cafe. Are you ready to explore? The metaverse is waiting for you to discover its wonders. Let's dive into the metaverse. Together, we will embark on a journey through this fascinating digital frontier. We will learn what it is and how it works. From its underlying technology to its potential impact on our daily lives, the metaverse is a world worth exploring. The metaverse is a digital world. It exists inside computers. This digital universe is created and maintained by powerful computer servers and intricate microchips. These components work together to generate a vast, immersive environment that can be accessed from anywhere in the world. We use technology to enter this world. Devices like virtual reality headsets, augmented reality glasses, and even gaming consoles serve as gateways to the metaverse. These tools allow us to step into a realm where the boundaries of the physical world no longer apply. We use virtual reality headsets and augmented reality glasses. VR headsets completely immerse us in a digital environment, while AR glasses overlay digital elements onto our real-world surroundings. Each device offers a unique way to experience the metaverse. VR headsets block out the real world. When you put on a VR headset, you are transported to a different place entirely. The real world fades away, replaced by a fully interactive digital landscape. They replace it with a virtual world. This virtual world can be anything from a fantastical landscape to a realistic simulation of a city. The possibilities are endless, limited only by the imagination of the creators. You feel like you are really there. AR glasses are different. Unlike VR headsets, Arkansas glasses enhance your real-world experience by adding digital elements to it. This creates a blended reality where digital and physical worlds coexist. They add to the real world. Imagine walking down the street and seeing digital information overlaid on buildings, or navigating through a city with digital arrows guiding your way. AR glasses make this possible. They put digital images onto what you see. These digital images can be anything from simple text and graphics to complex 3D objects. The integration of these elements into your real-world view creates a seamless and enhanced experience. Imagine seeing a dragon fly through your living room. This is just one example of the incredible experiences that AR technology can offer. The metaverse brings fantasy to life, blending it with our everyday reality. The metaverse is more than VR and AR. It is a vast, interconnected digital universe where people can interact, create, and share experiences. It is a place where the digital and physical worlds merge, offering endless possibilities for exploration and connection. It is a shared experience. In the metaverse, you can meet and interact with people from all over the world. Whether it's a virtual meeting, a digital concert, or a shared gaming experience, the metaverse brings people together in ways that were never before possible. Millions of people can use it at the same time. The metaverse is designed to support a vast number of users simultaneously, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving digital landscape. This allows for large-scale events and gatherings, making the metaverse a truly global platform. It connects many different virtual worlds together. The metaverse is not just one single world, but a network of interconnected virtual environments. This interconnectedness allows users to move seamlessly between different experiences, creating a rich and diverse digital ecosystem. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Money Mavericks. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Thank you. The metaverse offers incredible experiences. Imagine attending a concert from home. You feel the music and see the crowd. You even chat with friends who are there virtually, or picture yourself trying on clothes in a virtual shop. You can see how they look on you without leaving your room. Doctors could use the metaverse for training. They could practice surgeries on virtual patients. This helps them learn and make fewer mistakes. A network of endless possibilities. The metaverse is interconnected. This means different virtual worlds can connect. Imagine playing a game and then stepping into a different game world. Or imagine attending a virtual meeting and then instantly joining a friend's virtual party. This interconnectivity is powerful. It allows us to move seamlessly between experiences. It opens up endless possibilities for exploration and connection. Shaping your digital destiny. In the metaverse, you have power. This power is not just about control, but about the freedom to explore, create, and connect in ways that were previously unimaginable. You control your digital self. Your avatar is a reflection of your identity, your creativity, and your aspirations. It's a canvas where you can express who you are or who you want to be. This is called user agency. User agency empowers you to make decisions and take actions that shape your digital experience. You create an avatar to represent you. This avatar can interact with others, explore virtual worlds, and participate in activities that mirror real-life experiences. You can buy and sell virtual items. These items can range from clothing and accessories for your avatar to virtual real estate and digital art. You can even own virtual land. Owning virtual land opens up possibilities for building, trading, and creating unique spaces that others can visit and interact with. This creates new opportunities for creativity and entrepreneurship. Artists, designers, and entrepreneurs can find new ways to showcase their talents and build businesses in the digital realm. The metaverse is still evolving. As technology advances, the possibilities within the metaverse will continue to expand, offering even more ways to engage and innovate. But one thing is certain, it has the potential to revolutionize our world. The metaverse is not just a trend, it's a transformative force that will change how we live, work, and play. Are you ready to join the adventure? Embrace the future and shape your digital destiny in the metaverse. Thank you for watching Money Mavericks. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us bring you more great content.